Hi, this is Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern, functional and homey 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. This property has a lot area of 240 square meters and a total floor area of approximately 301 square meters across 2 levels. It has a striking modern facade and it has great space planning inside. Let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, you're welcomed by a nice patch of greenery here to the right. Leading to the side of the house. And you have a carport area for 2 vehicles to your left. Completely tiled already, giving you access also to a side patio and a landscape garden on this side. So you can walk all around this house. And here you have your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This is such a grand living space with a double height ceiling, with cove lighting, with windows extending all the way to the second level along this wall, with such a massive corner window. The design maximizes the morning light because this corner directly is east facing. That's why you have all that morning light coming in through the house. You also have a large space here for your living area. You can have your sofa set here, potentially your television on this side or this side. And it has such a bright and open view. Now from here, you have an open layout leading to your dining space. That's defined by the cove lighting that you see right here. There's a provision for a light fixture depending on your own preference. After you purchase the home, you might want to get your own interior designer, so you have your own personal flair for your home. The house also already has the provisions for air conditioning units throughout the space. So the piping is already ready. All you need to do is, of course, get your preferred aircon supplier. Now, in terms of the windows used, you have quality aluminum windows here. And you can see also the quality because of how thick the screens are. So this is excellent. Even if you have pets such as cats and dogs. The mechanism slides very smoothly. And to maximize your dining area, you also have this tiled patio space right beside it. So this is a nice extension space, especially if you have parties. And you have this nice landscape area also to add the aesthetic. The entire space feels so inviting. At the same time, it's so clean because of the almost all white motif. With that wooden accent right here to give that contrast. And what I love about the design here is you have such a large area here for the countertop that can be maximized as both a meal prep area and an area to have breakfast or even a late night snack, because you can have like 3 stools right here. And then this is where you can have your refrigerator. And check out the vantage point that you have right here. You have a clear view all the way to your living space, those beautiful windows, and your dining area. To add to the bright feeling of the space, you also have these display shelves right here. Now, on this side, you have access towards your staff room. With its own bathroom also. Another thing that I noticed about this home is it's very well planned in terms of the service areas, as you'll see right here. The entire area is tiled. You have a heavy wash area right here. And this is where you can potentially hang clothes. And then you have a tiled space and you have additional storage at the side of the house. So this entire area is easy to clean and maintain. And you can go around here once again to the front of the house. And another thing that I like is the service entrance is a massive door, which is important, especially if you're bringing in furniture and other large items through the house, but you don't want them to go through the front door. Now, on this side, you have your powder room for guests. Very conveniently located beside the kitchen area. And then you have your first bedroom right here at the ground floor. Flooring is a wooden design, but these are tiles. I like the ceiling height. And once again, you have your provision for air conditioning units. And this room also has an ensuite bathroom. Plenty of ventilation through that window. Floor to ceiling tiling. Very modern, minimalist. The colors that they used matched even the aesthetic of the facade of the house with those gray tiles. And I like how oversized the window is. And this also has this size because you still benefit from the morning sun from this window. So this feels like such a move-in ready home. The only thing missing other than the furniture is just the aircon and curtains. It's already clean and polished. You also have your staircase here, which adds to the impact of your living space with tempered glass and wooden railings also. The color matches the steps. You have a nice blend of a modern feel for the house, but with these accents of wood to still give it that warmth. And you have all these white walls, which are excellent, especially if you like having artwork or even like a photo wall for your family. So now we're here at the second level, and you have another space here, which is a multi-purpose space. This can be just a family hallway where you can have a television set and then a sofa right here. An additional amenity space. This can even be a home office area. You can set this up with desks. And if you have kids or if you want to have a home office setup, but you don't want it to be within a room, this is a great setup also. And you have that view of your living space. We're now going to take a look at the second and third bedrooms and cap off our tour with the master bedroom. But here we go. You have your second bedroom here. First impression is the rooms are maaliwalas because of the ceiling height. Once again, the ceiling height, like you have in the ground floor, is maintained. And then you have your split type air conditioning unit provision again. And then you have outlets throughout the space. built-in cabinets. I like the color that they used here. This feels very warm and a great contrast to the modern gray colors that you see here in the bathroom. And here you have your third bedroom. You know, this tour is quick because the house, even though it's spacious, it flows very naturally. It's easy to navigate. Once again, this room feels very spacious because of the ceiling height again. Nice regular shape. And then this area is maximized by having the cabinetry. I like the wooden design. And then here you have another ensuite bathroom. So all 4 bedrooms of the house have their own bathroom. If you include the staff room, you actually have 5 bathrooms for the house. And this is quite spacious once again. And this window also enjoys the morning light. I like that every occupant of the 3 bedrooms, once they come out, it's not just walls right away. You immediately have this space, which is excellent for interior designing also. You can have like a feature wall here, lots of ideas, lots of things that you can potentially do. And here, of course, you have your primary bedroom or master bedroom. The way here is maximized. You can make this a display area and storage also. You know, I like this because this is very practical. If you have, for example, car keys, important personal items that you don't want to forget, and these are the first things that you take out of your pockets when you come back to your room or to your home, you can immediately place them here. And then when you're leaving, you can't forget them because they're right here. And they're very aesthetically placed also with the lighting. So nice idea. And here's another great idea to maximize the feel of the master bedroom. You have this picture window giving you a view of your living space. And even that greenery beside it upon entering the home. And of course, this maximizes the morning light coming in from the front of the house with this large window. This space is big enough to have even a king-sized bed. And you can orient your bed like this and then have your television set right here. And then you have your ambient light coming in from that cabinet here. And even if all the lights are off here, I can imagine if, for example, your kids or your family members are downstairs and the lights are on downstairs, you have that ambient light coming in through here. Of course, you have once again modular cabinetry here, lots of storage. Then you also have your bathroom right here. You have a tempered glass sliding shower enclosure. Let me just show quickly. So this slides here. Okay. And then floor to ceiling tiling once again. And that caps off our quick house tour. To know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.